TubeBuddy versus VidIQ. Which one is the best for beatmakers specifically? So you and I both know that in our situation, it's very unique because some of us have split channels. For instance, I wish that YouTube had the ability to split my channel in half and break it into two different channels, Official Leah Jude and Leah Jude Beats, because of the fact that the beats being up don't get as many views. They've messed with my retention. All in all, if you're a new beat maker, don't mix the channels. I don't intend to continue to waste your time. So which one exactly is better? The thing about TubeBuddy is I'm going to be showing you the free version. And that's only because I canceled the premium version, which was Legend. I thought that it was too expensive. And once I found VidIQ Pro, I can't go back. All right, guys, so we're going to jump right into this. And here we are going to be checking out TubeBuddy. And TubeBuddy has a few things that you can do. As you can see in the toolbox, we have the Keyword Explorer, Suggested Shorts. It's a paid feature. If you remember, I canceled my TubeBuddy subscription because I wasn't very happy with it. I didn't like the look of the program. The Suggested Shorts is pretty cool. It doesn't make the short for you, so it's not like Get Munch. All it does is suggest you the shorts. You need to go in and trim the short yourself based on where they think that you should trim it. We also have the Keyword Explorer, of course. The SEO Studio is an upgradable thing. It's not intuitive to use. I don't know if any of you out there pay for TubeBuddy Legend. I did not like the outlook at all. The Keyword Explorer is fine, although I definitely like vidIQ's a lot better. So they're not going to give me the weighted because it's another paid feature. Unweighted, I have a poor chance of ranking with type beat. Honestly, there's not all that much else to TubeBuddy. They do have the bulk edit. It's another pro feature. I talked about this in a previous video, but the bulk, the find and replace text, I changed all of my 2022s to 2023s. Demonetization, double check, view schedule, click magnet. That actually is pretty cool. So let's see if they show us. All right, so this is another paid feature, but the click magnet is cool because they kind of show you what videos are working and which ones are not. Another thing that you can get is brand alerts. So if they detect that your name has been said in like a video or it shows up anywhere, TubeBuddy will tell you there. So I do like certain things that TubeBuddy does, but vidIQ does a majority of this stuff. So let me show you vidIQ because this is crazy. So just hovering over this gives me tons of information. As you can see, I can see my hours watched. Don't make fun of all my analytics here. But I can see my views the last 7 days, my subscribers. I can see all of that stuff, but it gets better. A channel audit. As you can see, I'm doing a little better than I was before. Daily ideas. This is pretty cool. This is where I think that this is good for beat makers. So it's a little confused because of the fact that I have type beats as something that I follow on my channel and the fact that I also do educational stuff. So it's a little mixed up. But if I say Beat Seller Educational Video, it will give me Beat Seller Educational Videos. AI Coach. If I can type me a script about beat selling, it will go ahead and think about it. It'll look at my personalized data. And as you can see, it's giving me some script ideas. So it gave me a little script. I like the way that they have this organized. TubeBuddy does not do this. So they just kind of throw a bunch of stuff. Obviously, very few of these tags are even relevant to that video, so I'm going to dismiss all of them. It's definitely super confused about what my video is about. You can do subscribers, and that'll tell me when you guys are most likely to be online, as you can see over here. So this video is probably going to go up at 9 p.m. based on this. My competitors, which I'm not going to show you, but I do track my competitors just to see if I'm starting to gain on them a little bit. Keywords, top keyword opportunities. And then you could just order it, just like that. Very high. Beat selling secrets. It's crazy that it does it this way because if you see TubeBuddy's version of this, it's just a confusing freaking mess. This is all the trending keywords from this month, which I also really like. I think that TubeBuddy does that too, but I'm not super sure. So with the AI generator, I'm going to create a video about beat making. This is going to basically title my video, give me keywords, give me the video script, give me the voiceover, and give me thumbnails. This is insane to me. It's just the coolest thing. And honestly, I've shown you almost nothing that this program can do. So when it comes to VidIQ versus TubeBuddy, it's just no contest, in my opinion. But let's jump over to the apps. This is the TubeBuddy app. And even though right now I'm on a free account, this is the TubeBuddy app when you're on Legend as well. That's it. Your milestones, the tag explorer. So let me just go ahead and search type beat. Hey, that's just about it. That's literally all the app does. Everything seems clunky, totally unfinished. This is the VidIQ app. Already so much better to look at. Here's my daily ideas just right there. You can see the daily ideas that I saved. You can see all the ones that I dismissed. Again, the daily ideas aren't super good yet because I'm still kind of restructuring my channel to be more about education. There's all of my videos. I can optimize them. So if I click this, I can just go ahead and highlight controversial keywords that could kill your reach a little bit. All kinds of things there. I can go to more. It would take me hours to go through all the things between the things that the VidIQ desktop. I'm just really, really impressed. I do have a few little comments about the content of VidIQ versus the content of TubeBuddy. I actually enjoy the TubeBuddy content a lot more than I enjoy the VidIQ content. I almost feel like they're talking to little kids on VidIQ. And after 3 years of watching the VidIQ live streams almost religiously, my channel has never randomly been drawn for a review. Aside being salty about the fact that I was never reviewed, I really didn't want to like the VidIQ software because I started with TubeBuddy years ago, and I love TubeBuddy. They give you so much information, more than you even know what to do with. But the website is bad, and the app is worse. It's migraine-inducing. These graphs that are extremely hard to see, or extremely hard to even make sense of. They don't seem to have too many AI features as of the filming of this video. VidIQ has taken off with the AI. It's actually incredibly impressive. They're running their AI model off of ChatGPT. So I do wonder if this advice is dated for 2021 and not the current year. I am going to have an affiliate for one of these, VidIQ. So if you use my affiliate link, you will save a little money. I'm not going to bother giving you an affiliate link to TubeBuddy because I don't really use it anymore. So specifically for BEATMAKERS, I'm going to have to give it to VidIQ because of the fact that you can really hone in. So as you could see, the daily ideas were a little bit mixed up because they don't know if I'm a type beat channel or an information channel, but that can easily be changed. I really didn't want to like VidIQ, but I love it. I love using it. It's fun to use, it's fun to look at the data, and although TubeBuddy is awesome, I feel like TubeBuddy is designed maybe for a different user. So I'm not saying that it's a bad program, I'm saying it's maybe just not for me. VidIQ, you can really hone in on the BeatMaker stuff, and you can really hone in on the specific video that you're planning to make, and it's just so easy to use. You can't beat the ease of use.